Good day, Madam Sir. I'm Annalisa Orias, 53 years old. I have three kids. I have experience to work in abroad, like Saudi Arabia 4 years, Kuwait 2 years and a half, Dubai 1 year, and I know how to cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, taking care a newborn baby, and cooking basic Arabic food and basic Filipino food, madam. And now I work as a housemaid here in Philippines and taking care also children. And if you choose me, madam, sir, I will make sure that will taking care your family as my own family, as will taking care your kids as my own kids, madam. Thank, thank you, madam. Have a good day.